Ugh. What's up, YouTube? It's Kamar here again. Welcome back to another video. I just want to say, before we get started, I wanted to say thank you guys for all the support on the last video. You guys really did your thing off that one video. And I want to shout out to all 35 subscribers that I have. Shit's really a blessing, not gonna lie to you. All right, so and shout out to all the people who commented, because y'all were really helpful. Some of y'all weren't, but majority of you guys, like 98% of you guys, were doing your thing. So I appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. So as you can see from the last video, I had some codes, and a lot of them had to do with a bad radiator, and it was all coolant related stuff. So, and then I wasn't getting any coolant related problems as when I'm like looking around, running the car, looking at the temperature gauge. So that was really the main problem. And one of the codes said the engine coolant sensor. So I got one, tried to put it in. Yo, it's in like the most impossible spot. And it's very possible, but I don't know, mine is stuck and I really don't want to break it. So I'm going to take it to somebody today. That's what the video is today. So first, I'm going to give you guys a cold start, because one of the main things like with this sensor that bothers me the most is the fact that it takes so long to start. And sometimes it'll start and turn off. And from what I've heard and like read online, that is because of the sensor. You feel me? So let's do that right now. As you can see, that is not normal at all. Oh, and guys, I figured out, no, shout out to somebody in the comment. I think I'll put the comment on the screen. But yeah, my flex pipe has a crack in it. So that's why it sounds so fucking loud. Let me show you guys the ECT sensor. I don't know if you guys can see from there. If not, I'll put a picture up there of it. But yeah, let's go get that fixed. We out. All right, guys, so I just got back from the mechanic shop and I got the sensor replaced. And then the check engine light went off for a little bit. Shit came right back on. So I might actually need a new radiator or something, which really sucks. It's a lot more money. But at least the sensor's fixed. That's one code gone. I just checked it again. I'm gonna put the new codes up there. It's really the same thing, so I don't even know if I will. But I'll put the codes up there, but it's literally one code missing. And it's just a sensor code. There's another sensor code up there, so I don't know what to do. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.